Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for honest reviews on the latest and greatest products in the market. Today, we're diving into the world of gardening and outdoor maintenance with a spotlight on the best Tenax Multipurpose Net available. That's right, folks, we're talking about the one and only Tenax 2A090059 Multipurpose Net, a true game-changer for all your outdoor needs. Now, if you're like me and take pride in your garden or outdoor space, you know how essential it is to have the right tools and equipment. And let me tell you, the Tenax Multipurpose Net ticks all the boxes when it comes to versatility, durability, and ease of use. First things first, let's talk about versatility. Whether you're looking to protect your precious plants from pesky pests, create a safe enclosure for your pets, or even add an extra layer of security to your fencing, this net has got you covered. With its multi-purpose design, the possibilities are endless. But wait, there's more. Not only is this net incredibly versatile, but it's also built to last. Made right here in the USA and treated with UV protection, you can trust that this net will stand the test of time, lasting you 3 years or more with proper care. Now, let's talk about ease of use. One of the things I love most about the Tenax Multipurpose Net is how lightweight and easy it is to install. Whether you're a seasoned gardener or a DIY novice, you'll have this net up and running in no time, saving you both time and effort. So there you have it, folks. If you're in the market for the best Tenax Multipurpose Net that money can buy, look no further than this game-changing product. With its versatility, durability, and ease of use, it's sure to become your go-to tool for all your outdoor needs. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. Be sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more honest reviews on the products you love. Until next time, happy gardening!